You have to look for a door that says no hidden contact with 2 plaques. Then you can climb up the ladder. And then up here is the heart of Liberty City and the Statue of Liberty. You can destroy that, you destroy Liberty City.